Today we will see how to factory reset a locked iPhone if you have forgotten the passcode. Now for this one to work, there should be one thing that you have done in your iPhone in advance, and that is you have to go to settings, go to this option Face ID and passcode. Now enter the passcode. Now this should be done before you have locked the iPhone. So once you open this Face ID and passcode, at the bottom if you go, there is an option here, erase ID. You have to enable this option. So what happens, erase all data on this iPhone after 10 failed passcode attempt. So this setting should be done in advance. Now suppose if you have done this one and if your iPhone is locked, and let us say that you forgot the passcode, and then what you will do is you will put the wrong passcode. This is first time, second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time. Now once you have put the wrong password for fifth time, you can only enter after 1 minute. So let us wait for 1 minute. So after 1 minute, let me again try to enter the wrong passcode. Now this was the sixth time. Now I can only enter after 5 minutes. So let me wait for 5 minutes. Now let me again put the passcode after 5 minutes. Now this was the seventh time. Now you can see there is a message here, iPhone available, try again in 15 minutes. And at the bottom you have another option, erase iPhone. So let me select that option, erase iPhone, and there is a message here, all the contents will be erased. So let me select erase iPhone again. Now what I have to do is I have to enter the password for my Apple ID, and once I enter the password for my Apple ID, this iPhone will be erased. So even if you don't know the passcode, you should know the password of the Apple ID that is used in this phone, so that you can erase this phone. And once you erase the iPhone, if this iPhone was previously backed up to the iCloud, then you can restore this iPhone from iCloud.